Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to change your iCloud password on your Mac. It's actually a pretty simple process, but we're going to walk you through each step so you can be sure you're doing it right. Before we get started, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Fix Zone for more tech tips and tricks. We really appreciate your support. So, why might you want to change your iCloud password? Maybe you suspect someone else knows your password, or maybe you just want to be proactive about your online security. Whatever the reason, it's a good practice to update your passwords regularly. Okay, let's dive in. Here's how to change your iCloud password on your Mac. Screen recording starts. Step 1. Open System Settings. Alright, the first thing you're going to do is open up your system settings. You can usually find it in your dock or by clicking the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen and selecting System Settings. Screen highlights System Settings icon in the dock and Apple menu. Step 2. Click on your Apple ID or your name. In the System Settings window, you'll see your name at the top. It should be labeled as Apple ID. Click on that. Screen highlights Apple ID section in System Settings. Step 3. Select Password and Security. Now on the left-hand sidebar, look for Password and Security, and click on it. Screen highlights Password and Security in the sidebar. Step 4. Click Change Password. You'll see a section for Password. Below that, there should be a button that says Change Password. Go ahead and click that. Screen highlights Change Password. Button, ***. Step 5. Enter your Mac's user password. Your Mac will likely prompt you to enter your Mac user account password. This is the password you use to log into your computer, not your iCloud password. This is a security measure to make sure it's actually you trying to change the password. Enter that password and click Unlock. Screen shows the authentication prompt and a visual representation of typing the password. Step 6. Enter a new password. Now you'll be prompted to create a new iCloud password. Remember to choose a strong password that's different from passwords you've used before. Aim for at least 12 characters with a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Apple will give you a strength indicator as you type. Screen shows the new password fields with the password strength indicator. Step 7. Verify your new password. Enter your new password again in the Verify field to make sure you typed it correctly. Screen highlights the Verify field. Step 8. Click Change Password. Once you're happy with your new password, click the Change Password button. And that's it. Your iCloud password is now updated. Screen highlights Change Password button. Screen recording ends. So there you have it. That's how easy it is to change your iCloud password on your Mac. Just remember to use a strong, unique password, and keep it in a safe place. Consider using a password manager if you have trouble remembering them. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful tech tutorials. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.